I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got every game.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254 and tuning in for another one. I just want to bring y'all a quick update, man. You know, I was at Harbor Freight the other day. Went to go pick up a couple things. One of the things that I picked up was this motorcycle stand. Now, I wasn't aware that Harbor Freight made a motorcycle stand or sold one. It's made from Hayabusa. It was only $33. Other motorcycle stands, you gotta assemble them sometimes, and it may kind of compromise the integrity of the stand or whatever. But at the end of the day, it works. So this one may be like a little bit more sturdy. It was only $33. It was probably cheaper than that because I had a coupon. What is it called? The reason that I was really kind of skeptical about this is because my motorcycle has a wider rear tire. I'm running a 240 on the back of my 2006 Hayabusa, so I was really kind of skeptical if it was going to be able to fit. So I mean, it was kind of a little tight fit, but I mean, it's up there, it's up in the air, you know. We can do what we need to do. I'm gonna be changing the oil at some point today, hopefully. Like I said, we're putting this back in the mix. Use it to get back and forth to work, so gotta make sure she's in tip-top shape and everything like that. So it's your boy LS254, man. Just want to bring y'all a Harbor Freight update on the motorcycle swing arm rear lifting stand. This one is not the one with the spools. It goes up under the swing arm. As you can see, you have to ask for this in the back. It's not on the shelf. If you look on the website, it's on the website, and you have to actually ask for it, and then they can bring it to the front, or else you won't even know it's there. So just want to share this bit of information with y'all. 240, yeah, it's cutting it close. Anything wider than the 240 at 3 or 360, it's probably not gonna fit. So if you want a good stand, I can't tell you about lifespan wise, cause I just bought it yesterday, but I mean, it's $33. It gets the job done. You don't have to wait for it. Go to your local Harbor Freight and pick it up. It's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Gone.